Hello everyone, I am Vandana Kusres from my channel English Classroom Tutor. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so please share, like and subscribe. So today I am going to deal with the topic that is use of since for. We always get confused about this, where we use since and where we use for. Especially we use these two adverbials in present perfect continuous tense. Alright? Since for is used for time. We are using these two words for the time. Now I am clearing all the confusion through this video lecture. So let's start with the topic use of since and for. I am going to tell you about this. Since, first of all, we will discuss about the since. Since means होता है say. We use in the meaning of say, right? You can see here, I have written here point of time. Point of time means particular time. When any particular time assigned to us, we use since. Since means starting time, starting point. That's why we call it point of time. Since का यूज जब हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए दिया जाता है, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए, कि हमारा वर्क का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या है, कब शुरू हो रहा है वो, तो वी फॉर दैट वी यूज सिंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ in any sentence and you want to talk about the year, like 2017, I have written here 2017, 2020, 1997, whatever. Morning, when we talk about the duration of the, ये जो हमारे पहर होते हैं जिनको हम कहते हैं पहर, means morning, evening, night, right, afternoon, like that, tomorrow, yesterday. We can also, yesterday I have not written here, but I am telling you, yesterday. And month's name, for example, January, February, March. If any month name is given, if you want to tell anyone कि कौन सा वर्क आपने किस मंथ में स्टार्ट किया था, तो यदि पर्टिकुलर उस मंथ का नेम when assigned means January, February, तो we use since for that. And the time by clock. When we talk about the time by clock, कि मैंने ये वर्क, I have been doing my homework since 3 o'clock. मैं मेरा होमवर्क 3 बजे से कर रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पर्टिकुलर टाइम दिया है 3 o'clock, time by clock. So here we use since. Next is days of week. When we talk about the days of week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for that we use since only. My brother has been doing his homework since Monday, Tuesday. And next is stage of age. एक अवस्था, एक स्टेज, बचपन, बुढ़ापा, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए भी we use since. She has been playing sitar since childhood. So this is the example of stage of age, कि वो बचपन से सितार बजा रही है. Now come to the next, that is for. For in Hindi, for is a preposition and for is in Hindi के लिए, right? But here we use in the sense of say. Period of time. You can see here I am here point of time, particular time, starting point. But here I am writing, I have written period of time. Period of time means समय अवधि, duration. When we talk about the duration, we use for here. For example, I have written here 2 days, right? She has been doing his home assignment for 2 days. वो 2 दिन से कर रही है, एक समय अवधि दी है. The starting point is not given here, but 2 दिन से कर रही है. 3 months, right? My father has been living there for 3 months. 4 hours means 4 घंटे, right? 4 hours. Next is 5 years. I have been learning computer for 5 years, right? 5 years से computer सीख रही हूँ, तो it means duration is given here, starting point is not given here. तो when we talk about the duration कि काम past में शुरू हुआ और अभी तक चल रहा है, ठीक है, तो समय अवधि है ये 10 minutes. तो it is also, for this we also use for. Seconds, okay, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, so we can also use for that. Means when time is given in number, जब numbers में time दिया गया हो, 2 hours, 3 weeks, 4 months, like that. And always remember we use these two since for before the time. You can see here some examples I have overwritten here. So now let's start. I have been writing a letter since morning. Morning is, time is morning means particular time, point of time is given, starting point of the task is given here, that is morning, and before that I am using since here. Second example is Ramu has been watering the plants for an hour. Ramu 1 घंटे से plants में पानी दे रहा है, तो it means यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, it's not a point of time, it's a period of time. ड्यूरेशन दिया है, कब से, 1 घंटे से, फॉर एन आवर, एंड फॉर दिस आई एम यूजिंग फॉर हियर. शी इज वेरी अपसेट. नाउ दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. शी इज वेरी अपसेट, वो बहुत अपसेट है. सिंस ही वेंट आउट, जब से वो बाहर गया है. तो सिंस हियर वी यूज इन द सेंस ऑफ जब से और तब से. जब से ऐसा हुआ तो ऐसा है, तो इसके लिए भी we use since for that also. For example, I have given you one more example for that. I am so excited when he came into my life. So this is also the example for this. कि जब से वो मेरी लाइफ में आया मैं बहुत excited और happy हूँ. I have been learning computer since 3 o'clock. This is the example of since, and time is given 3 o'clock. So this is point of time. टाइम बाय क्लॉक, आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर टाइम बाय क्लॉक, यानी कि घड़ी में बजने वाला समय. अगर किसी सेंटेंस में वी टॉक अबाउट द टाइम बाय क्लॉक, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6:30, तो फॉर दैट वी यूज सिंस ओनली. नेक्स्ट इज वी कैन यूज another example we can see here for interrogative sentence. कब से, तो since when have you been suffering from this disease means तुम इस डिजीज से कब से सफर कर रहे हो, कब से पीड़ित हो रहे हो. तो ड्यूरेशन पूछा है कि कब से, so we can also use for that. All right, so guys, this is the use of since and for. I hope you all understood well, and remember this, watch this video again and again and clear all your confusions about these two words, since and for. Because in my next video I'm going to deal with the tense present perfect continuous, and for that tense it is compulsory to know about these two words, since and for. So till then, goodbye.